achievements for an organisation profile. So here we list any awards or achievements that the organisation has accrued. Usually they're on the About page. An organisation tends to want to display their achievements, so you will more than likely find them on their own website. And we tend to list just up to 10 points from the most recent to the oldest. If they've got a year, then we can put the year in. Sometimes they don't have a year though. And we keep them fairly brief and always end them with a full stop at the end as well. If the organisation has no achievements or awards, then you would write none available. Again, add another row by clicking on this blue button and removing a row like this. Oops. And you can also move rows up and down via this side. So if you find another one for 2015 and you write it down the bottom, you can just simply move it up and put it in. Some may only have a few achievements, such as this one here, and perhaps no dates as well, but still they should be recognised on the website and for the organisation. So in here, because this one is developing, so that would definitely be the most recent, and then developed a set of impact metrics, or developed a toolkit for investors, or developed a model. So these are the types of things that we're looking for. As another example, helped reduce power plant emissions, moved the US Nuclear Regulatory Commission to modernise its licensing process. So these are initiatives, and other things as well are included in achievements. One more example is Pax for Peace. They've won a Nobel Peace Prize. They've got the Green Star Award. So there we go. So the only thing I would say for these is that we just need to put full stops at the end of all of them. Just like that. Okay. And that is how you do achievements. So it's awards, achievements, initiatives, anything that makes the organisation stand out or shine in the sustainable finance industry. This can include, it can include organisation milestones and initiatives, such as the creation of a framework, a map, a tool, a new product, a service, or even completing a major study or report.